Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. In last video, I have teach you the basic operation of the Maintop, and in this video I will show you how to operate more photos in one Maintop. So first is the same, create new file, because we have installed where the SCC already, so we don't need to install it again. And then we need to import one photo. Here, give the second one, adjust to picture size. Okay, here we import one photo. Okay, then I will duplicate. Okay, so you have to the same photo. Okay, I will open this, and I will select or press the left of the mouse and select the two picture. Okay, you can see you have select two pictures, and if you want to let the picture in horizontal, so we will click this top. Okay, you can see in the same level in horizontal, and I want the two pictures have a distance between the two pictures. I will click this one. So yeah, if you think this is too big, you can change length. Okay, or you can change to or you can change to 1. Okay, so now in horizontal. So now you can see the size is 0, no size, because we haven't grouped it. So I will group it. Okay, size is come out. This is the size. So I will duplicate again the two size duplicate. Okay, and then select two groups. And then now I want the two groups in the same level in horizontally. Click this one. And I want the two groups in the same distance. Keep a distance. So I will click this vertically custom space. Okay, you can see. And you can change this too. 5, okay, or 2, okay, okay. Then again I will change the groups and the group, so the two group come out, and then paper setup, change it. Larger than the picture says. Okay, and then click horizontal, click vertical. Okay, it's good, it's ready. Same. See, have to click this other side of the paper. Have to okay. 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 Okay, finished. Thank you for watching. See you next time.